Hello YouTubers, and welcome to my brand new channel. It'll be an electronics video blog, and let's get started. So with the introduction, a little bit about me at first. I'm a 33-year-old software developer. I've never really done a lot of electronics engineering before. Electronics has always been my sort of first passion that I started when I was a wee kid, but never really got into it professionally. So I thought I'd use this wonderful platform of YouTube and using slides and educational material in order to not just present topics about electronics, but also learn more about that topic myself. So the plans for my channel include building electronics and guiding the people on step-by-step processes through these builds. Then I'll be doing some software tutorials from open source, so you'll be able to follow on quite easily. Then I'll be quite involved in quite a lot of open source discussions. I mean, the open source hardware and software scene are quite large, and they're growing quite rapidly, and I thought it's a really interesting industry to be in. Second of all, I'll be looking at hardware reviews, so I'll be reviewing some hardware that you can buy off the shelf. I'll be testing it and explaining how it works for other people to learn. And then lastly, I'll be doing teardowns, so any old electronics that I have, or that I find, or that someone sends me, I'll tear it down. I'll try to explain to you how it works, and we can all learn from that. So the reasoning for doing this channel, there's several reasons. One of the main reasons that I find really important is that by doing projects in the electronics field and documenting them, you can document them in a way that you can turn into a presentation. And that's what I'm doing with this channel. Is single thing that I discover or learn that I find useful, that might be useful later, or that I want to just really understand really well, I'll turn it into a presentation, and therefore I'll make a video about it, and share that knowledge with the world. So yeah, it's definitely going to be an educational way to share my discoveries. Also, as I'm quite a big fan of the open source community, I definitely want to contribute to it. So if I can contribute hardware or software, then I think it'll give me great joy to give back to the community in such a way. Another reason for doing YouTube videos is it really provides a sounding board for your ideas. So it's an easy way for people to give comment, and for people to try and understand and try and get more information about it. And it really helps the person who makes that content also become better. It forces them to think a bit deeply about what people think, what opinions there are. And lastly, I want to have a high quality source of information, so that people can refer back to it year in and year out, and just keep on getting like really good information. So I'll just be going quickly over the structure of my videos. Thought I'd do this really quickly. So there will be an introduction and reasoning part for the video. So when I create a video and I post it on YouTube, I'll have an introduction and reasoning part, and this will give you a quick overview of why I'm doing it and where you can use it, for example. then I'll follow that in the main content of the video. I'll have technical explanations and step-by-step processes. And at the end of it, I'll have a conclusion. The conclusion will include all the testing results and obviously my own personal opinions. And right at the end, I'll have a slide about the credits, some reference material and links that were sort of involved in the making of that video, so that you can go study the topic further and try and understand a bit more about it. So that brings me to the end of my introduction video, and I just want to stress again that it is really important to participate in the community, because in this modern online connected world that we have right now, it's so easy to get lost in things that don't matter. And you can really make an impact by just contributing, making comments, getting involved, like contributing to open source, and just help improve the community while also learning from your own interaction with the community. So I just want to thank some of the Clipart providers from clipground.com, clipartsign.com, and Clipart Panda. And thanks again for watching.